Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. So there were technically two methods to fixing the problem of having a line trace back come as they should. As you can see, I've got line traces coming up, which is exactly what I was looking for. Um, Now you can make it work with sword and shield, kind of. I'm still trying to figure out what I am doing wrong. According to Uriel, that kind of stuff can still be done. So if you want to keep it at sword and shield, the only issue you're going to run into with what I have found is that when you go to use the parry, the box trace is going to show up on your sword instead of the shield, so it doesn't even work at the moment. Again, it's apparent that it is me. So in order for us to progress and keep on going, we are going to go ahead and divide the sword and shield into sword and shield. So in order to do that, I renamed one of them to sword for the equipment definition and for the item definition. And then I went ahead and named the other one shield and shield. You'll want to make sure for the sword that you have the sword as the actor and it's in the main hand. Make sure you have your sword combo. And then for the shield, you have the shield and it's in your offhand. It has the parry on it. Now, when it comes to the definitions of the items, you'll want to make sure the gameplay tag has one-handed dot sword, assuming you've been following mine out exactly, and that the sword is in there. And same goes with the shield. We have shield and we have shield. Now, just to be safe, I changed the display name of this one to shield. I'm going to change this one to sword. Now, if I hit save, and you will also want to make sure that if you are separating them, that you come into the player state, to the inventory, and you create default items for sword and for shield. That way, when we come on in, it's all as it should be. Now, if I swing, I need to make sure I actually hit. There we go. Or if I do this, knocks them over. So it's working as intended, which is definitely a good thing. So now that we have that whole ordeal taken care of, we can go on to the death animation. I will see you in the next episode.